What's up? Welcome back to KMB TV. It's your girl B and baby behind the scenes.
Yo.
Yes. So today's video we will be doing the hot Cheeto burger and the hot Cheeto chicken breast.
I haven't seen nobody do that yet, besides like I think KFC.
Yes.
And like real restaurants. I have not seen a YouTuber do it, so
yes. But the only difference they do is they just put the Cheeto on top of the chicken or the burger. We're gonna actually
on the bun.
Yeah, on the bun, or they will put it on the sandwich itself. But we're gonna actually crumble this up on a blender and then we're gonna fry it. That's the only difference. So let's get into the video.
Stay tuned, BRB.
I'm stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this.
Okay, you guys, that's me, K behind the scenes. Had to step in front of the scene to season this chicken. I didn't do too much. I think just a little bit of cayenne, a bouillon cube, black pepper, a little bit of parsley for color, garlic powder. You don't want to OD because you're going to be mixing a lot with this Cheeto mix, and then you want the shell to be nice and seasoned. So don't OD with it. Back to the video.
Alright, now prep your chicken. Alright, now start prepping your chicken.
Do that one, right?
So fine, so fine, blow my mind. Ooh, yeah. So fine.
What you want from me? You know you got my time. What you need from me? You know that love is blind. You know you got my soul. You should already know how this love thing goes. Oh.
Girl, this ain't the loving that you're getting all the time. This is something special that I can't get off my mind. This is something real, something you can feel. I won't waste your time. Girl, you know the deal. Yeah, baby, hit the sofa, let the love take over. Explore your curves like the Roman Rover. Blow your mind, make you lose composure. Up on wood tables, gonna need a coaster. Let me lay you down like I lay my rhymes. There's a deeper meaning, read between the lines. There's something about you that I'm captivated by. Hypnotized, cause you're so damn fine. So caught up, can't shake this feeling. Love doctor, I need your healing. Every touch, my heart, you're stealing. Took my soul right through the ceiling. If we're moving fast, we can take it slow. Got a few friends, they don't need to know. Girl, you're mine, and I know it shows. I love looking at you in your sexy photos.
What you want from me? You know you got my time. What you need from me? You know that love is blind. You know you got my soul. You should already know how this love thing goes. Oh, oh, oh.
Girl, this ain't the loving that you're getting all the time. This is something special that I can't get off my mind. This is something real, something you can feel. I won't waste your time. Girl, you know the deal.
What you want, what you need, I can provide. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Oh, oh. What you want from me? You know you got my time. What you need from me? You know that love is blind. You know you got my soul. You should already know how this love thing goes. Oh, oh, oh.
Girl, this ain't the loving that you're getting all the time. This is something special that I can't get off my mind. This is something real, something you can feel. I won't waste your time. Girl, you know the deal.
Hey, what you doing?
Nothing much, waiting on you. What you doing?
I'm in the store.
Always. When are you coming over? I never see you no more. Like, what's going on?
I know I just been mad busy. I'll be there.
Are you serious? It's always you serious. When are you coming over?
I'm over today. I'm over tonight.
You don't love me. You love me.
Oh, you don't want to record this? Onion.
Why you always gotta play like that? You know I love you.
You stay in the studio. You love the studio.
I love you too. I'll be
I
right
want
there.
you all the time.
Alright, whatever. I'll be waiting. You know my
I
number.
need you all the time, baby. If we can get this right, baby. You know you on my mind, baby.
I want you all the time, baby.
I need you all the
Time, baby. If we can get this right, baby. You know you on my mind, baby. I want you all the
I messed it up. I think I did. Shake it a little bit. Yeah, babe, I fucked it up. It's stuck. Yeah. You know what? We're gonna.
Okay, Riggs. Okay, Riggs.
guys, she's putting her
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm gonna use barbecue. Sorry, I didn't get to see a slice of the cucumbers and
All my
some
onions.
pickles. I caramelized some onions.
Bring that over.
I showed y'all a little bit.
I'm putting it on my burger.
See that? That nice goodness right there. That's just on top of it.
Pickles in your burger?
That's a burger? Yeah. Yeah, I put one pickle.
That's it?
A little more sauce. Alright, that's good.
Put it back. Where my
So we're gonna try the burger, you guys.
burger?
I got pickles on mine. I didn't put the sauce yet.
Oh.
How does it taste?
This should taste good. Wow. The Cheeto cheeseburger tastes fire. It tastes so good.
Big ass sandwich.
Yo, look at this big ass
And mine
chicken
is
sandwich.
leaking.
Oh no. You need
Putting all in my hand, though.
It's so juicy.
I gotta real.
That's how you know it's gonna be juicy, baby.
I put Chick-fil-A barbecue sauce on it.
And I put Chick-fil-A sauce with
Okay.
some pickles.
We're gonna take this first bite.
First bite. This is
I knew
it.
this one would be better.
Really?
That's why I said I want to try with chicken. This was my idea, remember?
It definitely was. Cause I was like, let's just do the cheeseburger, Cheetos. She's like, let's do it with chicken.
So definitely try this.
What? Wait. Look at my meat right there. That's so juicy. Shit is huge.
Wow. This video.
Yeah.
Drop a like, comment, all that good stuff. If you want more like this, comment what you want. We'll give it to you.
Yes.
So go ahead and close this out, sweetheart.
Do you enjoy this?
Oh yeah, it was not good.
Yeah.
It was fire. We exhausted, y'all. But it was fire.
Make sure y'all comment that honey emoji for that free laptop. Okay?
Yes.
It's free. Free
$3.99.
gratis. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, share, and comment.
We didn't really talk that much this video. We just wanted y'all to see everything, but it was Gucci.
Thank you for watching, guys. We love you.
Until
Peace.
next time.
I do what I want to do. Compton. I do what I want.
I do what I wanna.
I do what I want.
I do what I want.
I be flexing with you,
I
bitch
do what
nigga.
I wanna.
Hey, trying to get
I
rich
do what
nigga.
I
Hey.